What's going on, guys? Your boy G. There's 273. He's the only one that was able to get out of his box with his female. She's in there. Everybody slept in their box this night. Yesterday from 6 o'clock in the afternoon till now, 4:43 in the morning. Everybody's in here. No, everybody seems good. This is a nice pair right here. Valley Loft with my Featherfoot. She's beautiful. There's 145. She's amazing. That's Kenny White right there. That's the double combine winner with the red band winner. Those are her parents. She's amazing. Thank you, guys.